In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to install heat pump Tumble dryer. Firstly, place the dryer near the external venting point. Ensure there's enough space around the dryer or airflow and avoid tight corners or bending the vent hose too much. Locate the exhaust vent on the back of the dryer and attach the end of the vent hose securely to the dryer's exhaust vent. Route the hose towards the external vent opening, keep it as straight and short as possible to improve airflow, and secure both ends to the vent hose using clamps or duct tapes to prevent air leaks. Adjust the dryer's leveling feet using a wrench to ensure it's stable, and use a spirit level to check that the dryer sits evenly. A level dryer prevents vibrations and ensures proper operation. Ensure the power outlet is grounded and has the correct voltage. Plug the dryer's power cord into the socket and avoid using extension cords as they may cause overheating. Now, turn on the dryer and run a short cycle. Check for air leaks along the vent hose and make sure the hot air is venting outside properly. Finally, ensure that the dryer operates smoothly without unusual noises. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.